Hi guys, this is Mr. Wineowine, and today I am going to show you how to make a quick and easy delicious old fashioned.
So this is what you'll need. First, pour the ice in your shaker. Then pour 2 ounces of a very smooth bourbon like Blanton's, one of my favorites. 3 dashes of ANGOSTURA bitters. 3 dashes of cherry bitters. Half an ounce of simple syrup, which you can easily make at home by adding equal part of sugar and water together until the sugar is diluted. Stir gently and strain the cocktail in your old-fashioned glass with 1 large ice cube for less dilution while you enjoy the cocktail. Take your orange peel and squeeze it to release the oil. You can light it to add a hint of smokiness to the cocktail. Take as many cherries as you want. The syrup from the cherries will increase the sweetness of the cocktail. And there you go. Thank you very much for watching and santé!